Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to remove all viruses on your Windows 10 or 11 PC without purchasing any third-party antivirus software. Most people don't realize, but Windows has in fact got built-in tools to scan and remove viruses. So before buying any antivirus software, try using the Windows built-in virus software removal tool. This is available pre-installed on Windows 8, 10, and 11 machines, and maybe even available on earlier Windows machines. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Once you're in there, type in MRT and press OK. And this is going to open up the Windows Microsoft Malicious software removal tool. Click on Next. And then you've got three options. So here you've got a quick scan. So that's just going to look in areas that are most common where viruses embed themselves. Or you can do a full scan. This is going to do the entire machine, but it will take some time to do, and in some cases can take hours. Or you can do a custom scan, so you can define a specific folder or location where you think there might be a virus, or it might be some software that you've downloaded and you want to check. So as a first pass, I always do a quick scan. So select quick scan and click on next. Okay, once the scan's finished, you'll be presented with this screen. And as you can see on mine, there are no malicious software that's been detected. If it did find something, you'll get notified and it'll ask you if you want to remove it. Simple as that. It's all free. So it's worth considering using the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool before you go off and buy any expensive antivirus software. Hope you found that helpful. And if you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.